Okay, so let's take a walk. Come walk with me in Hanoi. Um, these videos in Vietnam, they have no audio. Something, something was wrong with the GoPro 7. So I'm gonna have to narrate and probably add some music in. But like this particular video here, this is my first like maybe hours or so forth in Hanoi. So I'm just kind of acquainting myself with the place. My hotel is around the corner, the HM Boutique Hotel. So I'm at this point. What I'm looking for, I'm looking to see is there like a laundry because I accumulated some clothes that would be dirty, and I'm looking to see maybe there's a laundry nearby that I could take my clothes to and have them washed. So I'm walking around looking. Now, the date here is let's see. This was the 22nd, yeah, 22nd of December 2023. So it was a few days before Christmas. Now you notice that some of the people are wearing like jackets. There was a lady there earlier. She had on like a white coat or top jacket because Hanoi tends to be cool. Unlike down in Ho Chi Minh City, which is still called Saigon, which tends to be really warm. You can walk around in the night over there, in the evening after 7, after 8 o'clock. You can walk around in Ho Chi Minh City with just a shirt on. But once you get up to Hanoi, it's a different story. You need a jacket. it's completely different. And I think weather also changes people's perceptions too. Their reality, how they view things, how they see the world. You know, if it's cool outside, you probably think differently than some guy who is in a type of atmosphere where it's like warm and sultry and so forth. You're gonna have a different mindset. So I'm kind of like looking to see what's going on here. The traffic is passing. This is a one-way street here. All traffic is heading in one direction, which is good. That's helpful. Checking out the scene, you got some big buses passing by. When I was there, I didn't encounter any accident. For all the crazy stuff you see, people riding on their scooters and all that stuff, coming out of nowhere. You would think there'd be like, wow, lots of incidents there. You see that sign there that says 30? That'd be like 30,000 down, which would be like maybe $1.25. Yeah, because 24,000 is about $1 US. So if you divide 24 by 4, you get 6, right? 4 sixes are 24. So that means whatever that price is for that coffee will come out to like $1.25 for a cup of that coffee. That's what that is. 30,000 down, $1.25 cup of coffee. And they have cappuccino also, I think espresso, and so forth. So I'm walking down the block here. There's a corner here, and you see all this traffic coming. Across the street there, there's a traffic light that says don't walk. Now, if you in Hanoi or Saigon, if you spend time there, you learn how to walk through the traffic. Otherwise, you'd be standing all day. There's Saigon beer, B-I-A, beer, Saigon beer. Yeah, so you have to know how to maneuver. One man remarked to me, he said, wow, you walk like a local here. He saw me walk through the traffic. Yeah. Well, the thing is, I was there before, and I was scared, you know. The first time I went in 2017, it was December 2017, and I never really experienced anything like this. I mean, I've been to like Thailand, but in Thailand you don't have all these scooters like that, you know. Thailand has a lot more vehicular, like cars and so forth, but Vietnam is known for the scooters. Whether it's Hanoi, Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, that's what they're known for. Bangkok is not known for that. You know, if you go to Bangkok, you're not going to see a bunch of people riding around in a scooter on Rama the Fifth Road or something like that. You're not going to see that. Nope. Not going to see that. So anyway, I'm walking around here. So you're walking with me, and we're seeing what the sights are like. You see some big signs out there. Yep. And I'm going to have a lot of videos from this one SD card. Probably like over 25 different videos. So I'm going to have like a whole month. I'm gonna edit it in a way like every video, which like some of them are like 8 minutes, 50 seconds, some of them are 7 minutes something, depending where it cut short. So I'm just gonna do it that way. So spread them out, because if you put too many videos together, unless it's really interesting, people are not gonna look at it, you know. So you might as well waste your time. But if you splice them up into smaller portions, then chances are people will take time to look, because 7 minutes is not that bad of time to invest in looking. But if you put them all together, it's like an hour. I mean, how many people really have an hour? Or trust you to spend their time an hour, to invest an hour in their time to look at something you put together, and they don't even know you well, you know. So that's the way I think. So my videos tend to be shorter, 7 minutes something, 8 minutes something, and that's it.